Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my very messy kitchen. Why? Because I just went to Walmart and to Costco because meal prep and planning and grocery shopping are the three very important and key things to a long and successful health journey. And I'm proof, okay? Because I've been doing this for so many years, and that's what keeps you on track. Having the right things, the right foods, the proteins, the fruits, the veggies, okay, and delicious snacks that are healthier options will keep you focused, will keep you motivated, will keep you determined, because then you just won't grab anything. All right. So before I start, remember to subscribe, share my channel with everybody, okay? Because I have lots and lots of really easy, healthy recipes and some other ones from my mother, because balance is key. All right, let's get started. All right, so what do you think I'm going to be making? I absolutely love La San Marzano tomatoes. And if you see this huge tin, I get it at Costco. And it's only like $5. And I bought actually 3 of them because I am making a huge spaghetti sauce. And I actually have 2 things of beef. Sometimes I use chicken. And when I want to spoil my husband, I use really delicious meat from Costco. And I like to add some marinara, and you can get my recipe obviously on my YouTube channel. And I always change it up too. Tonight for dinner and for lunches, I like to buy a chicken just to make our life easier. And you can have all kinds of side dishes with it. Salad. I have homemade mashed potato, my French fries, zucchini noodles, stir fries, anything that you want. But just sometimes we need something quick and easy, right? Of course, right. And you can make sandwiches, or you can put it on these rice cakes. I like doing that for lunches with some salad. You can throw it into a casserole. It's just so nice to have something that's already cooked. All right. I love my homemade, not my homemade, actually just Jell-O with some, oh, let me turn this around, some ultralight Cool Whip or some pudding. And yes, I make my own Jell-O too sometimes, but this is just so easy for 5 calories and 0 sugar, 0 smart points if you're on WW, and add a little bit of Cool Whip. Oh my God, so delicious. Or you could add some PB2 powder as well, which is also amazing and delicious for the chocolate. And you could add some sugar-free syrup or some sugar-free, just different things. And just trying to remember. Oh my God, I have a brain freeze, people. Anyways, don't get old. All right, so I'm thinking of jam. Yes, jam, that's it. You could add some jams, and I always like to have lots of fruit. And I just, of course, drop something. That's okay. So I bought some berries and some nectarines and some little baby clementines. And you can add that also to your pudding or Cool Whip, or just have as a snack, or cut them up and dip them into PB2. I bought some beets. I love that for my salads. And I have my zucchini, and you can find lots of zucchini recipes on my YouTube channel, of course, right? I love using zucchini for zucchini muffins. Add them to my waffles, add them to my stir fries, everything. And of course, broccoli I use for everything as well. And my broccoli soup and carrots for so many things, for stir fries, salads, muffins, you name it. It's just good to have all these different products in your house. Another thing that I really, really, really love, and did I say really, is having chicken strips, just to be able to grab a nice high protein. I like adding them in my egg, not my waffle. Yeah, waffles too. I have added them to my waffles, but I was going to say my frittatas, my omelets, my egg bites, just like that. And I've been bringing them to school, and I have them on these rice cakes as well with some different mustards I love, and you can make your own dips. And I just love these chicken strips. And I bought some yogurt to make some more dips and use that in a lot of my recipes. I like adding my granola to it. And it's so nice and refreshing to have yogurt. And you can add and make my cheesecake, right? And lots of my muffin recipes. So it just makes things a lot moister when you use yogurt, all right? And I found that the almonds, the slivered almonds, yeah, were on sale today, and I like to toast them and add them to the yogurt or to my Jell-O. And I love buying egg whites because, again, it bulks up your recipe if you're adding one egg and you add some egg whites. But I also use it in tons of my recipes, my egg bites, again, my omelets, my frittatas, my quiche, all right? And my daughter likes, and I do too, is some light cream in my coffee. Why not? Because it's only 10 calories a tablespoon. But if you're making mashed potatoes or a sauce and you want it just a little indulgent, this one's half the fat. So this is just some of the items that I like to buy and have in my kitchen. And I'm going to be doing more videos on my snacks, my favorite snacks. So I just wanted to show you just some of the different things that I just bought. And I change it up all the time so you can see other examples of posts that I've done and videos to help you guys on your health journey. So happy meal planning, happy meal prepping. All right, me again. Sorry for dropping things and having a brain freeze. This is why, this is what happens when you get a little bit older. Shh. So I hope this was helpful, seeing some of the things that I like. As I mentioned, I'm going to do another video on snacks because I know people love their snacks. Hello, I do too. And that will be helpful for you guys so that you stay on track. All right, take care. Love you guys. See you soon. Don't forget my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. Instagram, WW Risa's Tips as well. Don't forget to like and comment. Take care.